You gotta live life like you love to give, and you'll get the life you love to live. Follow your dreams and be unique. You gotta be confident, don't be shy.
Hey you, I'm Mr. Shy Guy, and I have a huge collection of magical shoes that I call power shoes. And each pair of these magical power shoes possess a unique power hidden within the soles of the shoe. And every time I put on a pair of these power shoes, then activate them with a special power charm, the shoes energize me with their magical powers, giving me the ability to take on anything. For my next few episodes, I'm creating very special Halloween-inspired power shoes with all kinds of spooky, ooky power themes. Today, I'm going to share with you these creepy vampire bat power shoes and show you how I made them step by step, turning them from these to these. Ooh, so scary. Welcome to my show, Mr. Shy Guy's Power Shoes Halloween Edition. One of the most iconic creatures and symbols of Halloween are, of course, the vampire bats. Now, real vampires can magically transform themselves into bats to quickly get away from their enemies or even chase their victims. And even in bat form, these creepy flyers can suck your blood as well. Also, did you know that bats use radar to find their prey in pitch black? So there is no hiding from a vampire bat. So that's why I wanted to make power shoes with creepy bat-inspired powers. And this is how I made them. For bat shoes, I'm starting with these vintage-looking wingtip shoes. These wingtip shoes seem very appropriate since bats have wings. The first thing I did was cut out these glittery foam bats. But to make them extra scary, let's add some iridescent purple eyes to them. There, they are so much scarier now, like they're looking right back at you. We're gonna use these bats later. Next, I'll add some small rubber bat stickers to the sides of the shoes. I've always loved these Halloween rubber bats, so let's add these to the toes of the shoes. I'm going to glue them to the shoe using a hot glue gun. The rubber bat wings will flap like they're really flying when I walk. Now we can add the glitter foam bats to the back of the shoe. I want the wings to stick off the back heel of the shoe. These bats kind of remind me of Vampirina. Ooh, look how scary and creepy they look. Last comes the power charm. The power charms for these shoes are little black bats. And each shoe needs a power charm to activate the shoe's powers. And just like that, the bat power shoes are now activated. These shoes look so fun and festive, very Halloween. I can't wait to wear these vampire bat power shoes to trick or treat in. I hope they don't bite me though. Well, thanks for joining me today on this episode of Mr. Shy Guy's Power Shoes Halloween Edition. I have a few other spooky and scary Halloween themed power shoes to show you in my upcoming videos. Plus, make sure you check out the rest of my power shoes videos. Happy Halloween, and I will see you next time. And until then, remember, don't be shy. Don't be shy.